Good afternoon, everybody. Gracious ladies and distinguished gentlemen. जब when we were in school, तो हम लोग को एक चीज़ सिखाई जाती थी राइटिंग का प्रेसे. एक पेज का मिलता तो उसको 1/3 करना होता था. आज प्रेसे का भी प्रेसे कर दिया है इन्होंने टाइम दे के.
मेरा तो नंबर ही नहीं आया.
आएगा. तो एंड सेकेंडली जो आप तैयार करके आए फिर वो भूल जाते हैं. देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद एक्सटेम्पोर समथिंग. 2005 I was posted in Calcutta working as Chief General Manager Oriental Bank of Commerce. FICCI का एक सेमिनार चल रहा था जैसे ये चल रहा है. Governor Reddy was speaking. First sentence was, let all the press people go to sleep because I will not talk about rates. Today I am going to float the idea of financial inclusion. That was the first time I heard that term, 2005. And then came the real reason why it is starting now, because all the banks had computerized. Financial inclusion was not possible manually at all. Once core business solution had come to all the banks, they started implementing it. Like my friend Subodh just said, people were very initially disenchanted. What we will do with this nominal accounts? And secondly, he said, why you people don't give small loans? Because they feel the effort in giving a loan of 10,000 or preparing a paper for giving a loan of 100 crores, which will he thinks gives more value. Later on, what will come is a different thing. But there also one gentleman mentioned कि साहब हम फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन बैंकिंग की बात कर रहे हैं. आप रिमोट नॉर्थ ईस्ट वगैरह कहीं जाके देखो, एक एक रुपए के आपके शैम्पू के सैचेट्स पहुंच चुके हैं. दे हैव ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड एवरीबडी हु कुड नॉट अफोर्ड. सब लोग मल्टीनेशनल्स हैव ऑलरेडी रीच्ड. In fact, this is where the real business is. We were running after a mirage earlier. इन लोगों को जब तक हम इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे, ओवरऑल ग्रोथ नहीं. That was the time when people used to say that the world was whispering about India. And under the new dispensation now, they are talking about India. They are talking to India. And India has actually come of age. In fact, the amount of business which has been generated and the amount of security which the common people have got, whether it is insurance, healthcare, housing, these were all dreams which we have been talking over the last 60 years, but in implementation, it has now come into the picture. We are indeed proud that this new India is coming into the picture, but one small thing I'll just add before I end. I heard it in one of the talks and I found it very, very communicative and interesting. We decide that when you come of age, that everybody in this world will be given a car. But the condition is he will be given only that car and he cannot change the car, he cannot buy a new car, he has to live with that car. So what people were doing early in the morning, कार को सब चमका रहे हैं, टायर के ग्रूव्स में पत्थर भी है वो हटा रहे हैं, ऑयल चेंज कर रहे हैं, एयर प्रेशर सब कुछ चेक कर रहे हैं. एंड नोबडी रियलाइज्ड टिल कोविड कि आपके पास ज़िंदगी भी एक ही है जिसका आपने ध्यान नहीं रखा. कार को पर जितना फोकस किया अपनी लाइफ पे किसी ने फोकस नहीं किया. एंड दीज 2 years प्रूव्ड दैट इफ़ यू कैनॉट टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, यू कैनॉट बी गुड टू anybody at all. और उस कार को चमकाते रहते अपने आप को भूल गए. एंड देन द पर्सन सेड यू मूव अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. जब तक मून या मार्स पे पानी नहीं मिलेगा आपको इसी पृथ्वी पे रहना है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव ओनली वन अर्थ टू लिव ऑन. उसको भी आप ध्यान नहीं रख रहे. यू मेड अ मेस ऑफ इट. द प्लैनेट नीड्स आवर पॉजिटिव कंट्रीब्यूशन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. सी द कंट्री इज नाउ इन सेफ हैंड्स. Banking sector is going to expand exponentially, and Subodh has already mentioned all the background things which are going on when they come into implementation. But before I end, I'll be feeling my duty in saying, today was one of the finest speeches we have heard from the Honorable Minister, and he has opened our eyes and given us a lot of ideas where we should move forward. Thank you very much for being patient.